Swimsuits.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today it's me, Alyssa from Joking from the channel. Today I'm going to make some slime, so let's go. Hopefully y'all can see this. So I have this activator, which is water with borax, school glue. Hopefully this glue works. And some red glitter with a spoon and a bowl. Of course you need a spoon and a bowl. So I'm going to just put a little bit glue in, like a little bit.
I think it's too small.
In here, a little bit of this in there, so I can like see if it works. Then add some.
Let me see. Let me put it up to you. Yeah, it's show you belly.
What? Oh, because it's.
This is night clothes.
There. Just a little bit.
It's a dress.
Yep.
You want to wear that today?
Yeah, I'm gonna wear it today. Can you take my shirt off, Mom?
Okay, there we go. Let's see.
You can wear it today.
Okay, well. Let's see if it works. Hopefully it does. If I just... Okay, now let's make some slime. Or try to. Oh my gosh. There's a bunch of glue in here. Hopefully I can make slime. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Like, just look inside. Look. Smash. Oh. Got glue all over my hands now. Okay, well, I think that's all. Let me just... There we go. Now I'm going to add some borax. Please. Oh, that was a bunch. Well, I need a bunch because there's a bunch of glue. Okay, Sophia, can you give me a rag? Just in case my fingers get all dirty. Okay, now let's mix it up. Oh my gosh.
Here, give her this. That one's throw away. You can give her
Please
this.
work.
Throw away.
Alyssa,
I want this to work. Yeah?
Alyssa, here. You can do that.
What the heck? I can use this? Okay. It's better than nothing.
What, Mama? That's so cute.
Now let's mix it
It's
up
a little for you though.
It's so cute. I love it.
and try to make some slime.
Put some glitter in.
Hold on, it's not done yet. Please work. I'm hoping this can work, guys. There. There you go. I don't think this is working. I think we need some Tide or something. Because it looks like it's all liquidy. Okay, I don't care. I'm just still going to put
What? In there?
yeah.
I wanna make dime. Dime.
Oh my gosh, yes, it's sticking it up.
Hey, Mama.
Sticking it up.
You can help Alyssa.
Guys, oh my gosh.
Alyssa.
I know.
Hold on. Can't be yelling at her, Alyssa.
Hold on, Sophia. it was like making slime before, but yeah, see? Making slime. You can play with it after, Sophia.
No, I want to make.
She wants to help you stir it, that's all.
You want to help me stir it? Stir it. Hurry, fast. This is how you make slime, guys. You stir it fast with your baby sister. Or your little sister. Here. Stir it fast. Okay.
Let her do it too, Sophia.
Now stir it, stir it, stir it. Fast. We need it to make into slime. Get mixed into slime. Okay. Now it's my turn. See, this is how you do it fast. Oh yeah. It's changing into slime, baby, right now. This looks like cereal. Or milk. Gonna do it like in.
Only I mixed it and you put the board.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's it. I'm getting messy.
This is yours though, Alyssa. This is your tank top.
Oh my gosh. Sophia. Okay.
Hey, Sophia. She let you do it. You can't
Yeah.
deny her on the video. She won't be able to let you do it.
Okay.
I thought you was
So
helping me.
it's changing.
Are you gonna put on your dress that you want to wear today?
Sophia, can you please pour the activator?
Okay.
Just pour a little bit. Pour a little bit.
Stop doing that.
Just a little bit, okay?
She's got to.
Okay. Aw. Good job. You're doing a good job, Sophia. Whoa, guys. Look. Hey, it's sticky, Sophia. I don't want you to get messy. Yes! It's changing into slime.
Can I put more activator?
No, or it will get hard if you put more activator in.
Glitter?
Hold on. It ain't for that part yet. Well, I guess you can put more activator in. Put activator.
Can you put it
It's
down?
sticky. I can't. It's sticky. Okay, now. Okay, that's good.
There.
What the heck,
What
Sophia?
you say? Okay, that's good than I thought.
Okay, there we go. Just do.
Can I put glitter
Oh
in?
my gosh. It's turning into slime. And by the way, my mom bought this. She thought I was doing a little project on my schoolwork. Tried to trick her.
Alyssa, that's not funny.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, can I put some glitter in?
The glitter is going to wash all out because it's still wet. First, let's mix it up. Then, don't add no more.
Can you make it a little?
Sure.
Mix it.
With the spoon?
Yeah, with a spoon.
I can't mix it anymore with the spoon. Here, let me just put the sticky glue on the slime because it's kind of making it thick. Oh my gosh. Look, guys. Oh, it's like
Gonna put some glitter in now.
Hold on, first I need to get all the extras. Oh, it's getting sticky. That's fine. Oh my gosh.
Can I touch it?
That's good. Sure, you can poke it.
Okay, I will.
But you know it's my slime still because Mama bought this blue for me.
Ah.
Oh, I need help getting it
Oh,
off. You want to add the glitter now?
yeah.
So now she's adding the glitter. Here.
There.
Okay, there we go. Wait, no, you need some more.
I don't want to
Here.
do it.
Pour it. Pour it. Pour it. Hurry. Hurry. Shoot over here. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay.
No, Dicky.
Now I'm going to mix it up.
I'm all Dicky now.
Yeah, so here. You can use the rag. The dirty one. Oh my gosh. Guys, I can't believe I made slime, finally, with school glue. I never made slime before. Like, I tried to before, but they all just failed. This slime didn't. I'm glad that this slime didn't. And it has a pokey texture.
Can I touch?
Sure, you can poke it. It kind of looks like cheese dip from the Mexican restaurants.
Whoa.
I love Mexican
Oh,
restaurants.
it don't Dicky. It's Dicky.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Like, you can't even see glitter. So, I'm probably going to add some food coloring in if we have some. And if we have some, then I'll make a second part of this making slime, and then y'all can see what color it is. So, yeah, bye! It's probably going to be green or red or purple. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.